guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best streaming lights. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the streaming lights in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best streaming lights on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the Ningbo Hong ClipOn Selfie Light. While you can get some serious power from larger ring lights, it's often the smaller devices that prove more useful if you're simply looking to improve selfie sticks or quick shots on your smartphone. This ring light is a perfect accessory to add a little extra illumination wherever you need it, easily tucked away in a bag and USB rechargeable. The 90mm light clips onto the top of your phone to provide 40 LEDs worth of extra illumination. It's a quick and easy solution to low lighting issues, or to enhance the footage on the go without requiring a full ring light setup. Simply attach the ring light onto your phone so that the front-facing camera sits in the center, and you'll see a dramatic improvement in the quality of your shots. Number 9. Razer Kaio. Getting into game streaming can be a costly affair with all the capture cards, service subscriptions, cameras, mics, and some of the best headphones or best gaming headsets required for a fully professional setup. While all that gear is necessary to a high-quality stream, getting your lighting just right can also elevate your broadcasts, and many ignore this aspect when first starting up. However, the Razer Kaio offers an all-in-one solution to this common problem with a ring light built into a 1080p webcam and a handy piece of Synapse software for easy configuration and controls that gives you everything you need to get started in a package that comes in at under $100, 100 pounds. It's an excellent package for beginners testing the waters without wanting to invest in high-end gear, offering advanced autofocus features and low light correction as well. Coming in number 8, Elgato Professional LED Light. Elgato is one of the key manufacturers with various products. This LED light is designed in such a way that people can easily use it. In the technological advancement, the manufacturer has designed the light with excellent quality brightness and quality designs. Moreover, Elgato lights are prominent high precision with extraordinary light intensity. LED lamps have some glaring issues, but the problem is well taken care of by different vendors to a particular aspect. Some of the quality lights will increase the performance to an almost clarity and brightness. With dimmable options and app-enabled features to make the light, it is an excellent choice for high-quality streaming. Streaming service is part and parcel of modern entertainment. Elgato generally provides unique, streamlined lighting, which is a quality alternative to studio lights. The lumens for Elgato lights are quite extraordinary. Based on the performance and customer feedback, we can say this is a very comprehensive, money-worthy product. Coming in number 7, Emart 60 LED Continuous Portable Lighting Kit. If you're looking for a portable lighting kit, then Emart 60 will be one of the best options for you. Affordable, low cost, and easy to handle has made this lighting kit acceptable to many professionals. In the meantime, if you are comparing different portable photography kits, then this will be the best option for you. The price of this lighting kit is far more affordable. Besides that, you will get the proper color adjustment system in this lighting setup. No matter whatever indoor light settings you need, this will be the best choice for you. Number 6. ESDI 10-inch Ring Light. If you're looking for a smaller ring light suitable for smartphones, the ESDI 10-inch ring light offers a flexible portable device for keeping vlogs and direct-to-camera pieces bright and soft on a budget. This is a tabletop design so you can easily set it up and get it going. And though you're only getting 10 watts of power here, a much smaller diameter means you're getting a far more concentrated light source, perfect for closer shots. There are 10 brightness levels to choose from, with a range of temperatures between them, and a Bluetooth remote control, supplied to easily adjust settings while in front of the camera. That's perfect for getting your shot just right while sitting in front of the camera, making setup in difficult environment conditions even easier. Overall, you're getting a flexible USB-powered device that's a super low maintenance setup for a great price. Coming in at number 5, Mount Dog Softbox Lighting Kit. If you're a streamer on a budget, the Mount Dog Softbox Lighting Kit is a good choice. The Softbox uses a 95-watt energy-saving fluorescent bulb with a color temperature of 5500 K. The bulbs are huge, and they provide excellent illumination for live streaming. The Mount Dog Softbox Lighting Kit needs to be assembled. Prop up the tripod, mount the lamp section, screw in the bulb, and finally, attach the diffuser panel. Finally, plug it into the mains, and it's ready for action. The Mount Dog Softbox is not dimmable. You can only turn it on or off, so there's no way to adjust the light intensity. If you need to make the light dimmer, your only option is to move the softbox away from you. The good news is that it has a diffuser panel which distributes the light more evenly onto your face. Once the light is on, you won't have to squint at the overly bright light in front of you. Though they're relatively short, so you may need an extension cord, but for its price, the Mount Dog Softbox provides good value for money. Coming in number 4, RotoLite Ultimate Vlogging Kit. The RotoLite Ultimate Vlogging Kit gives you plenty of power for your cash, and all in a compact, easy-to-transport package that's perfect for content creators looking to record both on the go and in a home setup. You'll find a small tabletop tripod in this bundle, with a smartphone holder and ring light sitting beside each other on the stand. It's certainly a durable base, and you'll also be able to fix a DSLR or mirrorless camera onto the stand as well. Perhaps the most impressive feature here, especially considering the price, is the 80-watt equivalent power output. There's little wonder this is one of the go-to options for vlogging ring lights. You're getting excellent power, plenty of flexibility, and an ultra-portable device for a great price here. What else? Number 3. FoviTech Softbox Continuous Lighting Kit. For softbox lighting, one of the best options you can choose is the FoviTech Softbox Continuous Lighting Kit. Compared with other options, the price of this kit is higher, but the quality is excellent. The FoviTech kits are best because they offer many adjustment options for stream lighting according to the preferred configuration. There are a total of 3 socket heads, as well as 3 softbox lights. Each softbox size is 20 by 28 inches. If you're looking for the most professional video streaming, the 3 softboxes will cover the left and right-hand side and above to ensure that there is no shadow at all. The kit includes 1,000-watt bulbs, along with fluorescent lights and a convenient carrying bag. Everything can be packed in this bag, making transportation very easy. Coming in number 2, Viltrox V300 Slim Light for video streaming. This high-quality product from a notable manufacturer will bring the desired result for video streaming. These quality lights will enhance the performance to a certain degree. The remote control brings a new dimension to the lighting technology to a certain degree. Moreover, quality adapters will bring diversified applications to a certain degree. While most of the quality lights lack innovation after some time, but that is not the case for Viltrox. The manufacturer has done excellent research on product discovery and market understanding. These quality lights will bring desired success if it is handled with a quality outcome. Most of the quality lights will deliver the desired success. They have come up with the latest power adapter, along with dimmable remote control, which brings diversified experiences all packaged up in the Viltrox V300 Slim Streaming Light. Number 1. Newer 2-packs of LED lights for video sharing. Since inception, newer products have been top-notch products, a bit ahead compared to other competitive products to a certain degree. This specific product from the notable manufacturer comes with great features and attractive attributes to stand tall against all other competitors. This is ideally suited for studio lighting. However, it is also suitable for small sets. With brand new dimmable options, you can easily combine high-quality products from different perspectives. The material is an essential aspect of any kind of tangible product. Modern design and quality engineering are a big plus for this manufacturer. This product also ensures superior control in the form of dimmable options, which enhance the performance to a certain degree. For streaming content, different light quality arrangements are essential. With dimmable features, the lighting solution becomes easy to control. And for comprehensive and quality solutions, remote-controlled features are also an essential feature. And guess what? Neewer has it all. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best streaming lights. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.